sweetest disposition. One guess who? Who never starts an argument? Who never shows a bit of temperament? Who's never wrong but always right? Who'd never dream of starting a fight? Who gets stuck with all the bad luck? No one but
Mr. Bean. Hello, Bean. Oh, you're going to the beach with your pet goldfish? Yes, he's really happy about it. Yeah. Oh no, he's wasting some water. Watch out for the bumps. Give him some more water, please, Bean. I'm sure he has a great time swimming in the sea all by himself. You got the string in case you don't lost him. Let's see him through the binoculars. He's having great fun. Bean, what's going on? Oh no, we got pulled by a big fish. Watch out for that shark over there, Bean. Whoa! Bean, look, there's a shark chasing you. Now we got pulled by a fisherman.
Ah, look at that. Oh, my goodness, you're a beauty. On the hook there.
Bean, you're in a stinky pile of fish. Wait, Bean, look. Can you see it? Look. Why is there a string in the big fish's mouth? Wait a minute. Ah, there he is. He got swallowed by a big fish. Yeah. Bean, put away. That's a pile of stinky fish. Let's get you washed and dry.
If you insist.
He's ready. Have a nice time washing yourself in the washing machine. See you later.